Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you if your iCloud backup not working. Sometimes it gets frustrating when you keep seeing an alert that says there is not enough iCloud storage or backup cannot be completed. Other times your iCloud backup can become grayed out or take longer than expected. If any of these describe your current experience, you need not worry. There are several fixes for iCloud backup not working issue depending on the cause of the problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is check iCloud storage. It is logical to think one of the reasons your iCloud backup is not working is due to low storage space. This is especially true if you have over 5 GB of data on the iPhone. To check and manage the iCloud storage, open the settings app. Then tap on your profile name. Go to iCloud and check storage. If the storage is full, then tap on manage storage. You have the option to remove some data from iCloud or purchase more iCloud storage, and you are done. And the next step is check the Wi-Fi connection. To successfully backup your iCloud account, you need to connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes you connect but the internet is insecure to strong enough to handle the file size. For this, open the settings, then tap on Wi-Fi settings from the top. Tap the connection to join a Wi-Fi network, and you are done. And the next step is sign out of iCloud and sign in again. Sometimes it is not because you have the wrong iCloud ID that your backup malfunctions. It could be a technical issue with your signing in. In this case, you may need to sign in again to iCloud. This helps reset your device Wi-Fi connection. For this, go to your settings and then tap on your profile name. At the bottom of the page, you will see the option of sign out. Click on it and then sign in again to your iPhone with your Apple ID and password, and you are done. And the next step is check your power source, and the reason your iCloud stopped working could be that it is not plugged into a power source. iCloud backup gets stuck without a power source. Confirm using another gadget if the power source is working. Because the problem might be with the charging cable, you may need to replace the charging cable if you discover it is the issue. And the next step is reset iPhone settings. Trying all this method might not solve your problem. To resolve your iCloud backup not working issue, so you may need to reset your entire device to its default settings. For this, go to settings, tap on it and then scroll down and then tap on general and scroll down to the bottom, and here tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset all settings and check if the iCloud backup is now working or not, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Generally, restarting any device resets it and resolve most application issues. Therefore, restarting your iPhone might just be all you need. To restart your iPhone successfully, press the power button and then slide to power off to turn off the device, and then again press the power button to turn on your iPhone again, and try backing up the iCloud again and see if the issue is resolved. I hope this solution will fix your issue. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.